Did Oprah Winfrey or Dr. Ania Jastreboff ever endorse a baking soda recipe for weight loss? And the answer is no. This is a scam going around in April 2026, and I want you to like my video because scammers are going to make their own videos here on YouTube to boost this, and they are going to try to compete with my video, and I want to blow them out of the water. I want you to comment with your favorite breakfast food to build engagement, just anything you eat for breakfast. What do you like to eat? And also hit the like button. So important on a scam busting video like this that will then try to charge people hundreds of dollars a month, thousands of dollars a year. Probably is coming from Brazil if I had to guess. Not a big surprise. And so it says here there's a Yale doctor, and that refers to Dr. Ania Jastreboff. And I looked up her pronunciation of her name on a real Today Show segment to make sure I got it right. I thought it might be Dr. Ania Jastreboff, but it's Ania Jastreboff. So it's hard to say. But you can see here that it has a fake Today Show segment on this scam website, this fake Today Show website. I'm going to hit play on this. We're going to watch it, and you're going to see how real some of these deepfake AI depictions look. And deepfake means manipulated lip movement with AI-generated audio. So no famous people, no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed any of this. There is no baking soda recipe to lose weight. Scammers always choose a common pantry ingredient or something in your fridge or freezer or somewhere in your kitchen or household. And they claim that if you just mix it up with a few ingredients that we're going to reveal to you in a few minutes, then you'll be able to do something amazing, whether it's losing weight or curing diabetes or whatever. Joint pain, they have every ailment covered, the scammers do. So I'm gonna hit play on this. We can see how this goes. If you did fall for this, call your credit card company and report fraud for sure. Let's hit play.
We are back with Oprah, who is living her best life right now, and always. After decades of struggling with her weight, the TV icon says it all changed with one aha moment. Yeah.
So that looked all real. And I think this is when it's about a switch with Jenna Bush Hager to being something having to do with a deep fake AI depiction. That's what it's going to be, because she's going to say that Ozempic is what Oprah took, but then it didn't work, or her pounds came back on. And that's when you know the scammers have manipulated Jenna Bush Hager's lip movements. And that's when all the deep fake AI stuff begins. Watch this.
Yeah, she's getting real about her journey, the 50 plus pounds she lost on Ozempic, the excitement, the magazine covers. And then what happened when she stopped taking it? It all came back. But she says that's not the end of the story. She's now sharing a simple morning ritual, the baking soda water.
That is a completely AI generated depiction of Oprah, a kitchen, glasses, everything. And some people ask me sometimes, well, Jordan, how come she's not suing? There are so many scams out there, thousands of them, that the real people who could actually do something to stop this are the advertising platforms that give scammers that starting point for people to go from an ad to a website like this. But they're not going to stop accepting money. They're not going to stop accepting money. And that goes for Meta, that goes for TikTok, every ad platform. They're not going to turn away money. They're these greedy corporations. They want as much money as they can get. But look at their terms of service. Look at their PR statements. They're very serious about scams. All talk. All talk. And it always will be all talk.
Shot that she says reactivates the same hormones Ozempic targets, but this time no injections, no prescription. Just something she says you can do tomorrow morning with what's already in your kitchen. We're going to chat all about that in just a minute.
Now, after years of self-blame, science and research have led Oprah to a new understanding. Obesity is a chronic disease.
That is Dr. Ania Jastreboff. I believe that she was participating at one point in a podcast with Oprah on the Oprah podcast, but they did not talk about a baking soda recipe for weight loss. And just to make sure everyone knows about this, Oprah, Dr. Ania Jastreboff, no one famous, no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed a baking soda recipe for weight loss or any sort of pills, supplements, dropper bottles for this sort of thing either. And that's what they'll try to sell you at the very end of this process. They're not going to actually reveal to you a recipe. The recipe is the hook you see with all these different scam videos, thousands of them, to get you to keep watching the long video. That's the reason why they dangle the recipe, because they think you're going to keep watching for that. If you knew from the jump it was going to be a bottle of pills, gummies, whatever, you probably wouldn't watch the video. And the scammers know that. They're lying to you off the top.
Not
not a personal failure.
2/3 of Americans and half of the world population did not wake up one morning and decide to have obesity.
Just weeks shy of her 72nd birthday, Oprah says she's finally free. Not because of willpower, not because of injections, but because of something she drinks every morning before breakfast, a simple baking soda recipe.
There is no baking soda recipe. I know some of you might be wondering, why do I keep pausing? Not everyone watching is tech savvy. Not everyone watching knows a lot about technology or media literacy, if I could even say that sort of thing. I'm trying to help people out there, again, who are elderly as well, and, all walks of life. So if you just bear with me on that.
That she says
I would appreciate
did what the drugs couldn't. Keep the weight off for good. This is her first interview since walking away from the medications, and she's not holding anything back.
Okay.
Now, Oprah, we're going to get into all of it. The injections, why you stopped, and how baking soda, of all things, fits into this.
And so I'm sitting there thinking, I can't do this forever. I can't be on injections for the rest of my life. And the moment I stop, it all comes back. There has to be another way. And that's when Dr. Ania explained something to me that changed everything. She said, look, these medications, they're mimicking hormones your body already has. GLP-1 and GIP. Your body makes them. The drug is just doing what your body is supposed to do naturally. And I thought, okay, so how do I get my body to do it on its own? And that's when she told me about the baking soda water shot. And speaking of Dr. Ania, she's actually here with us today.
Dr. Ania Jastreboff is a Yale-trained obesity specialist, one of the leading researchers in
That is an AI-generated depiction of Ania Jastreboff, and you can tell because the skin is too smooth, too shiny, it doesn't look real, and there are no legible letters anywhere that I can see in the background, anything like that. It has the look of AI for sure.
Metabolic health. And she's been working with Oprah behind the scenes. Today, she's going to break down why these medications stop working the moment you quit. And the simple baking soda water.
That also is entirely fake because it has her in a depiction, with some sort of a setting of mixing up baking soda. This is where the scam world is going. And you're not going to find this on websites reporting about this sort of thing or anything like that. This is something you're only going to see in like a video like this. This is going to continue to get worse and worse. And again, the only people who can really stop this for sure and do a really good job at it are the advertising platforms, but they're not going to stop accepting money. They need more money.
Shot that helped Oprah lose 43 pounds in just 2 months. Right, Oprah?
That's right. And for the first time in my life, it didn't come back.
Dr. Ania, welcome. So glad you're here. Now, before you show us how to make the baking soda recipe, I have to ask what everyone watching is thinking right now. Baking soda, really? How is that beating out medications that Big Pharma is charging thousands of dollars for?
It's always a pleasure to be here. So let me tell you the same thing I told Oprah. Do you know why Ozempic and Mounjaro became the most popular weight loss drugs in the world? They work on 2 hormones, GLP-1 and GIP. When you eat, it's not your stomach that tells your brain you're full. It's GLP-1 and GIP sending a signal that says, we're good, stop eating, start burning.
Okay, that makes sense.
So when these hormones are working properly, losing weight becomes almost automatic. But here's the problem. Chronic stress, ultra-processed foods, the hormonal crash that happens after 40, all of these quietly shut down your GLP-1 and GIP production without you even realizing it. And when that happens, your body panics. It thinks, I'm never full, food must be scarce, store everything. So everything you eat, a salad, a steak, even a piece of fruit gets stored as fat. It doesn't matter if you do intermittent fasting. It doesn't matter if you go keto. It doesn't matter if you spend hours at the gym. You can eat almost nothing and your body will still hold on to every single pound.
So you're telling me it's not about discipline? Because I think a lot of us have been blaming ourselves for years.
Exactly. And that's the thing. That's when you start feeling hungry at weird times. Craving sweets out of nowhere, feeling tired, anxious, foggy, and no matter what you try, nothing works. Not because you're weak, not because of lack of willpower, but because without these hormones working, it doesn't matter how hard you try. Your body starts fighting you, holding on to every pound like its life depends on it.
That's exactly how I felt for decades. I thought something was broken inside me.
And that's why Oprah lost weight so quickly on Ozempic. For the first time in decades, her brain was finally getting the signal. You're full. Stop storing.
So at this point, the video, the script that was probably AI generated by the scammers is starting to stall because it's going to probably end up lasting an hour. The progress bar at the bottom of the video does not matter. That is a progress bar that goes very fast at the beginning and like gets slower and slower and slower until it barely moves at all. And then near the end, it seems like it's going to last for like another 5 seconds, but it goes on another 30 minutes. Not good. So this will eventually try to sell you on a product. In this case, it's Lean Peak, but there are lots of different product names. Doesn't matter what product you saw this with. There's no baking soda recipe for weight loss endorsed by Oprah Winfrey or Dr. Ania Jastreboff. This is all a scam. This is coming from people who do not respect people who need to lose weight, who want to lose weight. It's coming from people who just want to make money. And even if they scam people, that's what they do for a living. And it's really sad. If you see other YouTube videos trying to sell you on anything having to do with this, a product that you saw paired with this marketing or anything like that, give those YouTube videos a dislike and hit the 3 dots next to them, hit report fraud and scams, because that's exactly what they are. They are trying to sell you on clicking a link in their description or their pinned comment to go and buy one of these products because they know the marketing is out there, this scam marketing, and they're trying to profit based upon that. I, however, am trying to keep you away from all of this. I'm not telling you to go buy any products. So like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below if you want to check that out. I want to do whatever I can to help people stay away from these scams. This one is especially predatory. It is new. There is no baking soda recipe for weight loss. If you see any other videos trying to sell people on this, especially those AI generated voice videos that just like copy my videos, hit dislike on those. Those have no effort in them and it's really, really sad. I hope my videos helped you out. Don't get involved in this. Go see a doctor and thank you for watching.